to clap for the people who have performed this task, enabled us to receive the equipment that we've been asking for. Tafadhali makofi kwa. So thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Thank you very much, William, and I'm going to invite the Kenya COVID Fund to come and handle it.
The 2 months that we have been given has enabled us now to produce high-quality PPEs that meet international standards within the country. So we are now not just in control of quality, but we are in control of the supply chain. We can make an order knowing they will be produced tomorrow, and they will just be dropped from industrial area. We have now become, we have reversed import to export.
We do have the capability as Kenyans to serve ourselves. We can be self-adequate of anything that we need.
We are extremely grateful that you've made it possible for us to have a protective gear to enable us to do our job and to be the people that we have aspired to be all the time. So we are also gratified that this will be available for the next 1.5 years, and we do not have to think about PPEs. Most of our conversations are around PPE because anxiety, which is a common human reaction, can actually derail your efforts.